Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to change language on WhatsApp. To do this, simply open WhatsApp, click on the three-dotted icon in the top right. Now you will see this section where you're going to simply click Settings. Once you click Settings, scroll down and in the App Language section, you will see your current device language. So at the bottom you see this App Language, click on it and from here you can select any language that you want for your WhatsApp. So for example, if I select German, my whole WhatsApp will turn into that specific language. Now, to reset it, simply navigate to the same section, click on this global icon, that is the circle icon, and choose your language back. Now, if you want to change the language of your keyboard on your WhatsApp to type in another one, simply place your cursor in a WhatsApp message, click on this icon, hold down this icon, and you'll be able to choose another language that you want to type in. So whatever language you will have on your mobile phone will appear here, through which you can change language on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.